Good evening and welcome to a retro Bob's Bar Plays Badly. I've got a new headset mic to test out, so it's meant to be broadcast quality. I'll let you be the judge of that, I think. Anyway, today we're playing a Spectrum. Classic is probably pushing it, but certainly a Saturday morning classic. So let's get this underway. Let's open this. Luckily, it's on an emulator. I'm not going to make you wait 5 minutes for it to load. And here it is. It's double that little bit there. Is literally just to load this bit here. So yes, we're playing Double Dare, the Spectrum version of the Saturday morning classic, hosted by Peter Simon. Let's get on with it. That's literally just this bit here. Anyway. There we go. Da 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 da. There you go, the Double Dare. The messiest game show in the world. As you can see, we've got a if that's meant to be Peter Simon, it's a bit more like Jim Rosenthal. Enunciated his words quite badly, according to that. We don't have new questions. Let's get straight onto it. And I'm playing with a controller. This is very exciting. So you can play two players against a computer. I'm going to pretend to be both human players. Otherwise, we might not get to see the exciting physical challenges that are up for excitement. Here we go. Let's start here. So here we go. First question's worth 10 points. Then you can, if you don't know, you can dare it to your opponents for 20 points. And if they don't know it, they can double dare it back for 40 points. If you don't know it, you can then answer the question or take the physical challenge. Here's the first question. Who was the author of The Glass Menagerie? I don't know, so I'll dare it. And they don't know, obviously, so I'll double dare it back. And then we'll guess this first one just to keep you on the edge of your seats. Shirley Conran is wrong. I don't know what the correct answer is. Never mind. In which film does Jason Robards play Benjamin Bradley? Let's go with Naked Civil Servant. No, that's wrong. Quite difficult questions, actually. This was released in the late 80s. Who plays Nancy Agent in the film Repossessed? I don't know. I wouldn't know idea. I'll dare it. Double dare it back. Let's take on the physical challenge. It is. There's three different challenges you can have, and this one is rearrange. It's a sliding puzzle basically. But as you will discover, much harder than there's actual music there than you might have anticipated. I think it's David Bowie. I hope you're watching that. Good, right. So I've got no idea, frankly. I'm going to spend the next 90 seconds absolutely stuffing this up. Right. That's to go there. His face is there. That's all right. His mouth's in the right place, I think, just about. But the shirt's in the wrong place now. I say circles, don't they? Go in circles. So let's go in circles. Imagine if this was on Saturday morning television, you'd all watch that, wouldn't you? I think that goes. No, that's rubbish. That's here. Is that hair? A little bit moving now. Not entirely certain. What's that doing? Okay, that's part of the. Okay, right. So let's. Ooh. I think that's sort of looking more promising. That's not the chin's correct. That's not correct actually. Looking at the example. Oh god, this is impossible. How are you meant to do that? How's a 10-year-old meant to do this? It's very possible it's actually much worse than it was before they started moving things. No, it's going backwards here quite clearly. Okay. I mean, it's sort of ish getting there. No. Well, that is basically impossible. Hard lines. Afraid I've never heard anyone actually use before. Before Dave Benson Phillips used it on Get Your Own Back once, so it is apparently a thing. Anyway, when was Eton Rifles by the Jam released? I'm gonna guess 83. Correct. Absolutely brilliant. Which sport would you associate with Alan Webster? Let's go Motorcycle Speedway. No, I was wrong. In which film does Liam Neeson play Danny Sklar? I don't know. Liam Neeson's a big man, so I'm going to say the big man. Yes! Well done, yellows. What is the capital city of Cuba? Are you having a laugh? Yes. Which character does Madonna play in the film Dick Tracy? Henry VIII, Philip Marlowe, or Breathless Mahoney? Well, I don't know the film very well, but I'm going to guess it's the woman. Correct. In which film does Peter Law play Ugarte? I don't know. I dare it. I'll double dare it back. And I'll do a physical challenge. Copy of a sequence of flashing lights. Okay, so this is Simon. There are 3 physical challenges that might come up. This is the second one. Okay. Concentrate. Up, left, down. You got up to 7. Right, up, down, up. Right, up, down, up. Up, right, down, down, up. Up, right, down, down, up. Up, down, left, left, up, right. Up, down, left, left, up, right. Right, down, right, right, up, down. Right, down, right, up, down. Correct. Oh, there's another one. Left, right, left, right, left, down. Left, right, left, left, down. Must be it, surely. Yes! It's a good job, as Peter Simon would say. Shopping Television's Peter Simon. Keep control of the board and the points. Let's play Double Dare. Which sport would you associate with Dougal Haston? Sounds like a wrestler. No. When was No Woman, No Cry by Bob Marley released? Questions used to be a lot more matter of fact, didn't they? 82? No, wrong. Who would you associate with running? That'd be David Bedford from a 118 advert. Who sang Thorn in My Side in 1986? Eurythmics. Who would you associate with yacht racing? Well, it's not David Bedford. Brian Hooper is not him. So it must be Sir Francis Chichester. Look at a big lead here, Team Yellow. When was 99 Red Balloons by Nina released? Early 80s. That's 84. Correct. Which character does Sue Pollard play in You Rang My Lord? Heidi hi. It's not J.R. Ewing, that's Dallas. Ivy Teasdale could be. But I've never actually watched You Rang My Lord. So let's go for the physical challenge. You can get the third one. Rearrange the. Sorry, viewers. It's going to be 90 seconds of this again. It's Madonna. Right, so this comes over here to the right. It went up and down a bit. So, right. Also, is it looking promising? That's not right, though. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. That's not right. Yeah. What is that bit there? Maybe we should get the mouth into place. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, it was looking good. That goes down. That's his eyes. Yep, okay. I mean, look, if that was me, I'd say I was close enough. If I was Peter Simon, I'd say close enough. I feel like we're getting there. That's good on the right, obviously. Okay, right. Right, okay. No. I think I was almost there. I think I might have got it away from it a little bit. Circles. Oh, that's good. That looks good. Oh, that's good. That looks good. That doesn't look quite so good. Almost. It's a bit of a funny neck. Oh, that was good. That was good. Oh. Well, that was dramatic and exciting, wasn't it, viewers? Sorry. Hard lines. You use the points and control the board. Never mind. Who sang Bat Out of Hell in 1979? Meatloaf. Now, at some point, this realm will end or go double dare, but it does go on a little bit. Which of the following did Arthur C. Clarke write? Sentinel. Yeah. Who sang Harlem Shuffle in 1986? Let's dare it for excitement. It's not 5-star. I don't think it's Nina, so it's Rolling Stone, surely. Yeah. Who plays Alec Gilroy in Coronation Street? Roy Barraclough. What is the national currency of Thailand? That is the baht, I think. Let's dare it. Let's double dare it for excitement. The Thai baht. Yeah, surely. Yeah, yeah. Who sang Tiger Feet in 1974? Mud. There seems to be a very limited selection of wrong answers. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi. It's not Rome. It's not Bucharest. In which program does Ted Danson play Sam? Cheers. When was Temptation by Heaven 17 released? Let's go for a physical challenge. Let's try and get that third one so I can show you. Okay, this is the third one, and if you're thinking this sounds like Tales of Hanoi, you're absolutely right. I can use the keyboard, but I can do Tales of Hanoi. So here we go: 1 to 3, then 1 to 2, then that goes in there like that, then 1 to 3, then 2 to that, then 2 to that, 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 2. 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 1 to 2, 3 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 3. I think I might have made this a bit more hard for myself if I needed to. In fact, I almost guarantee I've done that, in fact. Ah, bollocks. Okay, let's move it back then. We've got to get number 1, number 3 ideally. So, 1 to there, 1 to there, 3 to 1, 2 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Great, okay, now we can keep going. 2 to 2, 2 to that, 1 to 3, 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 3 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 1 to 3. Yeah! Now, the story about the Towers of Hanoi, allegedly, if you're at a certain level, a certain amount of steps, that if you moved 1 block per second, that the end of the world would happen when all like 60 bits had moved to the 3rd tower. And if I was in charge of that, the end of the world would be a lot longer away than it is under the monks. So there you go. Anyway, which of one is Shakespeare right? This is a nasty question because Great Expectations is Charles Dickens, Jungle Book, Rudyard Kipling. Venus and Adonis is not a play; it's a poem he made. So yeah, a bit of a smart ass question from old Peter Simon there. Which sport is Gary Heverington? Motorcycle racing? Incorrect. This round's still going on. In which film does Leonard Nimoy play? I thought that was Leonardo DiCaprio. I remember it's late 80s. Raf Khan. Okay. Which character does John Wayne play in the film Stagecoach? I don't know. Let's dare it. And then Ringo Kid. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, team, just have a double there. All the points doubled. Let's see if we can make red catch up, shall we? Just for a bit of excitement. Of which country is Rome the capital city? A tough question. I dare them. I don't think you'll know this. I've been quite thick so far. Italy, correct. Amazing. Which sport would you associate with James Hunt? It's Formula 1 racing, but I'm going to get big points now. We're just minutes away from the assault course, and let me tell you, it's quite the thing. Who's your bit of sweet? Not a clue. It's not John Steinbeck. It might be Noel Coward. It is Noel Coward. What is the national currency of France? It's the euro. Oh, look how exciting it is now. It's all even Stevens. Who saw that coming 2 minutes ago? Who plays Vicky Delling in Black Beauty? Well, I don't think it's Mark Stevens. I don't think it's being a male. It's not Leslie Joseph. I don't think she was in Black Beauty. So let's go for Amber McWilliams. Correct. Oh, look at the lead. When was Bohemian Rhapsody? When was Bo Rap by Queen released? Mid-70s. Yes. Who plays Dorian? I think it's one-eyed Dorian, but never mind. Anyway, if you like Leslie Joseph and an answer coming up before, now it's a correct answer. That's the end. The red team has won the game. They must now attempt the assault course. I know you're thinking, this is going to be great, isn't it? And you're wrong. Actually, it's not that bad. It's not Mario Brothers. It's hardly Mario Brothers, but it's not always easy. It's quite frustrating. So here we are. Now, luckily, if this goes wrong, you're not obliged to load up the entire game to have another go. You just go through it straight away. We're not going to do that. Maybe one go, they'll let you go home. We've got a Scrolly there, a very exciting Spectrum Scrolly, as you used to get back in the day in games. Let's get straight on with it. So, 8 obstacles. I'm playing the faceless man in the middle there. First job, look under these. Oh, if the conveyor belt's not helping, but I've got to look under these hens to see the flag with a flag. Which one's got a flag? So the last one, that'd be useful. So I can't look it up when the conveyor belt's moving. It's not very. No, it's not there. Oh dear. I don't know if I'm a guns tank, ideally. Oh, this is absolutely tremendous. There's a flag. There's the first one all along. Let's go. Let me go. Here we go. Right, round 2. Right, pop balloons. Where's the flag? There it is. Right, move on to obstacle number 3. This is about timing. Jump. Oh dear. In the guns tank. And so there's a time penalty. Oh, that's not very helpful. Thanks for that. I can. Oh dear. Come on. Yes. Here we go. Until it's done before, it's kicking the ice cubes, and the flag's in the last one. There we go. Another game of timing here. So we unhelpful. Ah dear. The conveyor belt's going against us. Rather unhelpful. Let's go. Yes. I've got to jump over the spinning barrel. Okay, so you've got to go flip the switch and go back because it was thanks. Here we go, let's get the flag. That's a Meccano set. Yep, this is going halfway through our time. We've got 5 flags. Another find of things in the find of flag. There we go, the first one. Great. And straight over the guns tank. That's amazing. That is a copy of Dingbats. Oh no! You've got to jump between those conveyor belts. If you get it wrong, you're sort of you can't win. Basically, you're forced into the spinning barrels. So it's all about. I mean, Manic Miner is not. So about 30 seconds left, I think. I don't think I ever got past. Oh Christ! I don't think I ever got past this back when I was a kid, and I'm not going to get past it now either. Come on, jump. So you got timing about jumping extremely well, and if you do go on the second conveyor belt, oh, then that happens. Oh, that turns. Oh, come on. Oh, look, my foot was on that. And that's it. That's okay. You're in a flat spin. That's the name of the obstacle. Anyway, that was entirely worth the last 25 minutes of your time. Thank you for joining us for a retro Bob's Bar Plays Badly. Join us again for another one very, very soon. Goodbye.